Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you something that everyone should do to their laptop. That's right, everyone should do this to their laptop. It's a simple thing, and I truly believe that every single person that owns a laptop should do this. Now, if you take a look in the screen, you can actually see me in the reflection with my camera and my tripod. So if you take a look at your laptop, you are most likely going to notice that there is going to be a webcam or a camera on the laptop, okay? If it's a rather recent laptop, if it's a sort of modern laptop, then there's almost certainly going to be a camera on it in one place of it, okay? Now, here's the thing. When you have a webcam attached to a computer, you can disconnect that webcam when you're not using it, and therefore the camera will not be connected to the computer unless you know that it's connected and you're actually using it. But on a laptop, it's hardwired in. So that camera is hardwired into the laptop. You cannot disconnect it. Now, there are a lot of people out there that have bad intentions that can gain access to your camera because they know how to work their way around the software and the hardware and so forth. And that camera is always connected. So if they gain access to your camera, you cannot disconnect it like you can with a computer. But there's something simple that you can do. You can do something very simple to sort of protect yourself, okay? All that you need is a sticker or some tape just like this. What you want to do is take that sticker and cover it over the webcam, or take that tape just like this and cover it over the webcam. If you want to be safe, get a second piece of tape and place it over the webcam. Now what that's going to do is that's going to prevent anyone from being able to see anything. So if you're not using your webcam on your laptop and someone decides to get into that webcam, all they're going to see is nothing. Like they're going to see either a really dark screen or it's going to be way too blurry and they're not going to be able to see anything, okay? And then whenever you want to use your webcam, you just take the tape off like that. And I've used this method myself, and I can tell you that putting the tape on there and removing it, I mean, as long as you're not leaving it on there for like 5 years without removing it, it's not going to leave any residue. And even if it does, all you have to do is just clean off the webcam, and it's going to be nice and clear again, okay? Now, this is a simple method. If you really want to take it to the next level, what you can do is get like a piece of paper that goes over here and, create a system with tape that allows you to flip the paper over the webcam or remove it, and you can sort of flip it over or remove it, and that's probably your best bet. That requires a bit more work, but the easiest way, get some tape, go like that. This way, if anyone decides to try and view your webcam, they can't see anything. And here's the thing, if someone tries to view your webcam and they realize they can't see anything, they're not going to try again. But if you don't have the tape on there and they decide to view your webcam and they see something, well, they're going to continue to come back until they get what they want, right? But if they can't see anything, then they're just going to realize that there's no point. They're going to realize you have outsmarted them and there's no point, and they're going to give up. And that's basically it. I mean, it's something that's so simple, and it's easily removable, and I truly believe that every single person that owns a laptop with a webcam, which is going to be most laptops. I mean, I would assume the vast majority of laptops within like the last 10 years or more actually probably have a built-in webcam. So if you own one with a webcam, then just cover it up. When you're not using it, when you want to use it, just remove the tape or the sticker, whatever the case is. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.